Hello friends, my name is Darshan and we're watching our channel Placement Talks, where we will be discussing all placement related stuffs like what is the enhanced salary of each and every company and the review about the company, whether the company is best for freshers or not, and all other informations. So today in this video we will be discussing about Cognizant companies in detail informations like enhanced salary, training, etc. all the other things. So let us start the video without any delay. So here is the agenda for the today's video. First, we will be discussing about the roles offered by the Cognizant company, then the salary offered by the Cognizant company for the roles, what will be your enhanced salary, and also we will discuss about the training period and the salary during your training and after your training. And also there will be some twist like you will be getting internships in your 8th semester. So we will discuss about the salary during your internship as well. So watch the video till the end, and if you're not subscribed to our channel then please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more such related informations. So let's continue the video. We already know that Cognizant offers mainly two roles for the graduate students. The first one is Cognizant Gen C developer role and the second one is Cognizant Gen C Next. The detailed information about Gen C role is already discussed in the previous video. You can watch the video from the link given in the description box. Also you can click on the I button and watch that video. So today we will discuss all the information related to Gen C Next profile. The first thing is training period at the Cognizant. So there will be two situations. The first one is if you are selected through on campus in your end of the 7th semester or starting of your 8th semester, then Cognizant company will offer you a 6-month internship. That internship will be paid internship. So the salary during your internship will be discussed in further videos. Next, the second situation is if you completed your graduation then joining the Cognizant, then there will be CSD called like continuous skill development that will be given to you before joining only. So after joining you will be allocated to any of the streams and the stream training will be starting after your date of joining. So these are the two situations for the training period, and in internship you will be considered as a training period. So your training period will be ending after your internship and you will be directly allocated to the projects after the internship. And in case of after graduation you will be given a stream training. After that you will be allocated to particular projects depending on the requirements. So next one is the salary during your internship or your training. As I said, the CTC for the Gen C role is 6.75 lakh rupees per annum. So the salary offered by the Cognizant for the Gen C role is 6.75 LPA. And for Gen C it is 4.5 lakh LPA. So that video is different. I have already discussed everything about Gen C role in the previous video. The link is given in the description box and also in the I button. You can check that for Gen C role. And as I said, you will be getting a paid internship. So in your internship period you will be getting 12,000 rupees per month as the stipend for your 8th semester in your 8th semester. So these are the things for training, and let me tell you like you will be getting full payment in your training period. Like after graduations if you are joining to the company then you will be getting full payment only, and in internship only you will be getting 12,000 rupees per month. But if you are joining after graduation in your training period and in your full time you will be getting the same amount of money, that is 6.75 lakhs per annum. Next one is what will be your enhanced salary in Cognizant. So as I said, salary offered by the company, that is CTC, is 6.75 lakh per annum. So what will be your enhanced salary? That means after you are deducting the PF and gratuity and all other benefits, you will be getting around 44,000 rupees to 46,000 rupees per month during your training as well as after your training. Like there will be no concept like you will be getting less amount in training and more amount after your full-time confirmation. It is not like in your training and in your full time you will be getting same amount of money, that is 6.75 lakhs per annum, and after deducting everything the enhanced salary will be 44 to 46,000 rupees per month you will be getting in your bank account. So these are the some of the main important things about Gen C Next role. Then if I missed any other points during this video and if I didn't cover any other doubts, then you can ask me any doubts regarding this Cognizant company. So you can ask me in comment section, or else I have given the Instagram link in my description box. You can ask me any doubts or the questions in the Instagram also. So please do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. That's it for today guys. If you want more information about all other things, you can contact me through Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.